Hey, what is up everyone? I wanted to make a quick video for you guys today showing you how you can drastically reduce your dropped frames you get from streaming. So currently I stream over on Twitch, and in a given stream, before I implemented this new setting that OBS put out, I would experience dropped frames from anywhere from a couple hundred to a couple thousand a stream. And since I've implemented this new setting about a month ago, I have experienced 0 dropped frames over an entire month. So this is a really great setting that they've added here. It's very helpful, does a great job at reducing dropped frames, and definitely helps create a better viewer experience for your viewers. So you're going to pull over your OBS right here. As you can see, you're going to go to your settings on the right hand side, open that up. If you want to check your bitrate, go to your output. I use a 5200 bitrate, and I know bitrates can be a little confusing on how to actually set them and what number you should use. So a simple way to think about this is that bitrates are a direct correlation to your upload speed. So your upload speed on your internet, let's say it's 10 megabytes per second, your bitrate could be at a maximum 10,000, right? So I would recommend using somewhere in between half and 3/4 of what your upload speed is. I wouldn't recommend doing your full upload speed. So, you know, my upload speed is 10 megabytes per second, so I use a 5200 bitrate. You could use anywhere from 5,000 to 8,000. I think that would be a pretty acceptable range. So, if you want to implement this setting that I'm speaking of, go to your advanced tab here. Scroll down a little bit, and when you see this network section, you're going to go to Dynamically change bitrate to manage congestion. And it is in beta, so keep that in mind. And what this does, if you hover over it, it gives you a little description. So instead of dropping frames to reduce congestion, Dynamically changes bitrate on the fly. So the reason you get dropped frames is pretty much because your upload speed, it doesn't stay at, let's call it 10 megabytes per second. It fluctuates, right? So it's essentially when your upload speed is getting lower than your bitrate, and that's a problem because you're trying to put out more frames than you're actually able to, so that causes dropped frames. So this actually changes it on the fly. So if you're, as your upload speed fluctuates, it also changes your bitrate in correlation with that fluctuation, and thus resulting in no dropped frames, which is great. So it does have a little note. It says, note that this can increase delay to viewers. If there is a significant sudden congestion when the bitrate drops, it can cause a few minutes to restore. Now, I personally have not had any problems with this. My time from when I stream to people actually seeing the stream is usually between 1 and 2 seconds. I don't experience longer wait time, so I personally don't think that's anything to worry about, but definitely give this a try if you are someone who experiences a lot of dropped frames. Like I said, I used to experience a couple hundred to a couple thousand per stream, and I've used this for a month now, and it's literally done the job perfectly. So I've had 0 dropped frames over a month. It's a really great tool. I would definitely try implementing this if you're someone who struggles with dropped frames. So give this a try. Let me know if it works for you. Make sure to leave a like if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have anything to add or any questions for myself. All right, thanks. Have a great day.